Hello, geometry students. So today we are going to talk about Crook problems as well as some more non-traditional problems. So you should have your paper out in your notebook. You need to trim it down and attach it to your notebook. So we're going to go through these problems. So this first type is what it's commonly known as a Crook problem. So what you're going to be doing is finding an angle like X here somewhere inside of the picture here. So we're going to go through step by step what we should do. Step one, it says draw a line that goes through the vertex of the angle and is parallel to the other two lines. So if I line it up here, my line is going to go like this. Notice this is the vertex of the angle and it's parallel to the other two lines, in this case A and B. So now it says your angle X here is divided into two parts. And it says use what you know about pair of angles to find the two parts. So when we have parallel lines, again, we have different things we look for. In the bottom part here, if I trace that, everybody see the Z? So if you have a Z, that means you have alternate interior angles and they are congruent. So that means this particular angle here is 40. Now, another letter that I also see in the picture here is a C. And with the C, those are your same side interior angles, and same side interior are supplementary. So to find the top part here, we would take 180 minus 150. So this top piece here is 30. So I know the two pieces for X. So to answer my question, it says step 3, add the two parts together. So what is 40 plus 30? My final answer is going to be 70. So again, that is how you approach a Crook problem. Okay, now let's try the other kind of problems I have here. So again, we're looking for those same letters in the picture. So first thing that I see, again, is a sideways Z here. So when you have a Z, those are alternate interior angles and they are congruent. So if this angle's 48, X is going to be 48 degrees. And then for Y, I don't know about you guys, but I see a sideways F. If I turn it like this, I don't know if that helps or not. These are corresponding, and corresponding angles are congruent. So Y is going to be 82. Simple as that. Okay, so for my next problem, shifting over here. And if I'm going too fast, just pause it. You can always rewind. So I want to find X, Y, and Z. So first off, I see an X here. Okay, X are your vertical angles, and they are congruent. So I'm going to set 3X equal to 72. So to find X, I'm going to take both sides and divide it by 3. So 72 divided by 3, is going to be 24. So my X value is 24. Now, this angle is still 72, even though X is 24. So keep that in mind. Okay, so next, I see a C here, and the C is your same side interior, and they are supplementary. So to find Y, I'm going to take 180 minus 72, and 180 minus 72 is 108. So my Y is going to be 108 degrees. Okay, and then finally, one more time. I don't know about you, but hopefully you see the C going this way. And again, the C is your same side interior. So to find Z here, I'm going to take 180 minus Y, which is 108, and we're going to have 72. So my Z value is 72 degrees. Okay? Okay. So in our last example that we're going to have here on the notes, okay, we need to find X, Y, and Z. So I'm looking for different letters here. So first thing I see here is an F. The F means I have corresponding angles. So that means that Z is going to be 70 degrees. Okay, so we got one down.